This video explains the construction procedure of an ellipse by concentric circle method. We will discuss this with the help of a problem. The foci of an ellipse are 80 mm apart and the minor axis is 60 mm. Draw the ellipse by concentric circle method. Also draw a tangent and normal to the ellipse at a point 20 mm from the major axis. Draw a horizontal line. Mark a point at the midpoint of the line. Let this point be O as the center point of the ellipse. Mark distance of 40 mm on both the sides of the center. These are the focus points F1 and F2. Through the center O, draw a vertical line and mark half of the distance of the minor axis on both the sides. Let the endpoints of the minor axis be C and D. Measure the distance of CF1. This is half of the major axis. Both CF1 and CF2 distances are the same. With point O as center and half of the major axis as radius, draw a circle. This is the major circle. This circle meets the horizontal line at A and B. Now line AB is the major axis. Draw a minor circle with half of the distance of minor axis as radius and point O as center. Divide the circle into 12 equal divisions. Since the complete circle has 360 degrees, each division will have 30 degrees. Mark numbers on these divisional points. Draw vertical lines from the points of major circle and horizontal lines from the points of minor circle. These lines will intersect. These intersection points are the points on the ellipse. Points 1, 2, 3, etc. are the divisional points of the major circle. Points 1, 2, 3, etc. are the divisional points of the minor circle. Point number 1 is on the end point of major axis. Let it be P1. Point number 7 is on the other end of major axis. Let it be P7. Point 4 is on one end of minor axis. Let it be P4. Point 10 is on the other end of the minor axis. Let it be P10. Now draw a vertical line from point 2 and a horizontal line from 2 These lines will intersect at P2. Draw a vertical line from 3 and a horizontal line from 3 and the intersection point is P3. Similarly, trace other points P5, P6, P8, P9, P11 and P12. Join all these points P1, P2, P3 up to P12 with a smooth curve. This is the ellipse. To draw a tangent and normal at a point 20 mm above the axis, mark a point on the ellipse which is 20 mm above the major axis. Join this point to the focus points F1 and F2. Draw a bisector for this angle F1 P F2. This is the normal of the ellipse. Draw a perpendicular to the normal. This is the tangent.